Gulf Coast Grilled Cheese Guru here. Today we're at another Mobile long-standing favorite, the Dewdrop Inn. Around 1930, Whitney moved the Dewdrop Inn to Old Shell Road, across the street from Old Shell Elementary School. A year later, he sold the restaurant to Arthur Reed, who relocated in 1937 to its present location. Among the Dewdrop's many fans is Jimmy Buffett, who grew up in Mobile. He writes in his Parenthood Handbook that his burger lust was formulated at the restaurant, which he lists first among the country's best cheeseburgers. As Mobile's oldest restaurant, the history here lives on the walls and through the current owner, who humbly shared with us all we wanted to know.
First owners were before the 19th turn of the century. I don't know anything about them but a phone book. Okay, that's Mr. Reed, Mr. Whitney, Mr. Edgar. This is my father who bought the Dewdrop from this gentleman. That's me. The picture makes me look a lot fatter. And this is a gentleman who spent his entire life working here. Tag says 1941. And this is the outside wall of the Dewdrop, and those are the steps. That building next door was where that service station is right there, and it sold grain.
Although famous for their hot dogs, Dewdrop Inn has an extensive menu that includes po' boys, seafood, burgers, and home-style sides that are as delicious as any Thanksgiving dinner you've ever been to. But I'm looking forward to digging into this grilled cheese. Cheesy test. At the Dewdrop Inn, you can put Southern hospitality to the test. They pass with flying colors. Dewdrop Inn claims to have introduced Mobile to the hot dog, and Dan did love the hot dog he had while I was enjoying the grilled cheese. Why not find out for yourself and drop in to experience Dewdrop Inn's take on Southern-style home cooking. So if you are interested in more of what this Gulf Coast Grilled Cheese Guru has to say, make sure you click the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.